The paperwork is all from me. I can show you to your car. The vehicle condition, current condition of the car, vehicle check guide, which shows you what. I know you probably, it is really important to really check the condition of the car, because if there are any changes, it will be your responsibility. I recommend you take our comprehensive. This way, there is only a couple, and the process is a lot. Changes do happen. The insurance package is the only way and have total peace of inspection of the vehicle. Check that as well as the spare wheel kit. In this case, here you can check your first top of the back bumper is only by luggage being loaded in. This car is in damage, so let's have a look at hotspots that you need to look out for. The number one alloy wheel. This against the curb and hit it. Always check it carefully. Outside, checking for any scratch. See it, you will be able to. The smallest scratch can result in replacement. Make sure you check the tyres too. The next front bumper. This can bump too quickly or hit it again. Very easy. You want to get down nice and low of the front bumper. Checking. Next on our check spots are parking dents. Mistake of checking the car for them. You will not see when someone knocks into your car. The correct way to look for them, away from the vehicle, look moving from side up. This helps you see the car from identify any parking dents. Hatches are another damage for any number of reasons. It's more than 15 millimeters is broken. You can running your fingernail across the hatches. To check the windscreen, our final racks. This particular windscreen completed your inspection of the vehicle. Fuel and the mileage CR. We end where we began. I now know I've inspected, and remember, you today are the most common we encounter on our vehicle. Changes of condition vehicle, so please, inside before you drive away. In you today, you can see how condition can occur during, no matter how careful you are, can be high. That we highly recommend comprehensive insurance package. It is the only covered and therefore peace of mind. It will help you with this, all of your future rentals, and thank you for choosing. I hope you enjoy your vehicle.